Hello friends, welcome. So in this lecture, we'll be learning about order processing. That is our sale order and purchase order. See, what is order processing? Order processing basically refers to placing the orders with suppliers for purchasing from them or receiving orders from the customers for the purpose of selling. You can write down a simple definition of purchase order as well. So write it down. Purchase order is a document in which each and every detail related to your respective purchase is mentioned. Is mentioned. For example, the quantity of goods that you are going to purchase, the rate of tax, the rate of goods, date of delivery, and other payment terms. So each and everything is mentioned in your purchase order, that from which party you are going to purchase, on which date the party has to send you the documents, the goods, the quantity of goods is mentioned over there, the rate of taxation is there, the rate of goods must be present in the purchase order because it is just like a agreement. So we'll see how we can post or how we can make a purchase order through Tally. This in the same way we can make sale order as well. Sale order is a document in which all the details that are mentioned in a purchase order is retrospectively available for the purpose of cross verification and further generating the documents like transporter copy, the recipient copy, and so on. So in today's lecture, we'll be looking forward that how we can prepare purchase order and sale order through Tally. So I'm going back to my screen of Tally Prime. Here you can see from the gateway of Tally, you have to click on the option alter. Then from alter, you have to select here voucher type. When you select here the voucher type, if these options are not available, then you can click here on the show inactive as well. All right, so all the options will get displayed in front of you. Here you need to click on purchase order. When you click here on the purchase order voucher type, here there is an option of activate this voucher type. If you don't activate this option, this will not get reflected in the vouchers. So I'm pressing here, choosing the option here, yes. And after choosing this option, simply you can press Control A for selection of the screen, or you can press enter, enter, enter to select to accept the screen. So I'm pressing here Control A. Likewise, I'm doing in sales order as well. So in the sales order, when I am altering this voucher type, sales order, I'll click here as yes for activating this voucher and again pressing Control A to save the screen. Now I'm coming back to my gateway of Tally, and from gateway of Tally, you have to go towards your vouchers, and from vouchers directly go here to other vouchers, or you can press F10 as well. So select here from the order vouchers your purchase voucher. The shortcut key for this purchase order is Control F9 and the shortcut key for sales order is Control F8. See, there is much more easier to learn purchase order and sales order shortcut keys. Why? Because as you know, for purchase we generally click F9 as a shortcut key and for sales we used to click F8. So likewise, we need to click Control plus F9 for purchase order and Control plus F8 for sales order. So I'm creating here a purchase order in front of you. So I'm clicking here, enter. Select your party over here. There is no party. I'm creating a party in the name of Drishti Enterprises. Now, so this will Drishti Enterprises, we are going to purchase from this. So this will go under sundry debtors or creditors. Now you have to tell me. Creditors, yes, you're right. Why? Because this will create our liability. I am choosing here sundry creditor, and for maintaining balances bill by bill, you can select yes and simply press Control A. So mode of payment terms and all, I'll explain it later on. Simply click on Control A and save this. This is our order number 1, or you can give any of the alphanumeric term as well. Like I'm giving here Drishti Enterprises DE1. So like this, you can create your order number. Then select here your purchase ledger. I am creating here my purchase account under purchases and then save it. So here I'll be creating here the list of items I had not created till now. So I'm creating here all C, like Asian Paints I'm creating. Under primary units, I'm creating in numbers. I'm giving here the formal name. As you know, the number of decimal places is 0. We had created all the things earlier as well. Now the rate I'm giving here, quantity I'm giving 150 numbers, 500 per unit, that is 75,000. All right. So I'm creating here this purchase order. In purchase order, you don't need to post GST, IGST or SGST. That I'll be discussing in detail in my further lectures when we'll start with the GST one. All right. So when I press enter and accept this screen, my purchase order has been created. So where can I see this purchase order? Simply go to your display more reports. Now click here on statement of inventory. Now select here purchase order outstanding, and you can select here on the basis of your stock group, stock category, stock item, group, ledger, or all orders. I'm showing you here first of all the orders. So you can see here the purchase order is outstanding now from Drishti Enterprises related to the paints of 150 numbers. Is this clear? And if I want to see according to the stock item, then I can select here the stock item and just click here on the Asian Paints. You can see 150 items, 150 numbers are still pending. So this is how we can create our purchase order. Now I am showing you how we can create the sales order. The same way we had done in the case of purchase order, we can do the sales order as well. So I am creating here the sales order. Click on vouchers, press F10 and then select sales order. Select here the party name. I'm creating a ledger of party, Komal Private Limited, under sundry debtors, you know, and then accept the screen. Now this is my order number 1 and sales order number 1. Now I'll create the ledger of sales account as well under sales group and select yes. Now I'm taking here Asian Paints due on, let's say, 1st of May. All right, quantity is 100 numbers and the rate I'm giving here is let's say 670 per number. All right, so this is the 67,000. I'm creating here the sales order. Now accept the screen as we had done in the case of purchase order. Go back, go to display more reports. Now here inventory books, sales order book, and you can see here your sales order details. So is this clear how we can create sales order and purchase order? In the next lecture, I'll be showing you how we can process further sales order and purchase order invoices. So till then, create some of the purchase orders and sales order by your own. And if you have any of the doubt, then please do message me. Thank you. Bye bye.